Hello again, welcome to my channel again. This is my other project. This is a vanity. It has a mirror, but it needs a little facelift because it needs some refreshments like the paint, and there's damages here that I filled already with wood filler, and it's getting dry, so I'm gonna start by painting the rest of it and see how it comes out. But this is an easy fix, and this closes. You can see the mirror there needs cleaning, of course, and then the top of it that needs some paint just to refresh the look of the vanity, and then I will show you when it's finished. But this is the first part of it that I have to clean it up and get it ready. This is how it looks. It's finished. It's a quick fix, quick facelift I did, just to refreshen the paint, brighten it up a little bit, and it's all finished. Click on the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.